Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change language in Cairn game. So after launching Steam, go to the library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, and here you can see language option. It's already selected as English. You simply have to select the preferred language that has been given on of your choice. Just for example, select French, and after that whatever the language you have selected, the language will be changed to that particular language. Now if you want back, or if you want to revert the language to English once again come back, select the game on library section on Steam, and after that click on the language option over here and simply select English, and it will change to English once again. So by this way you can easily change the language from English to any other language on Cairn game on PC, and also you can revert back to English once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.